Modish Ladies. I just want to teach you how to make your hair look so nice when it's dry. When it's dry, you simply use your hand to detangle. If you detangle your hair, you come to your towel. It's not necessary that you want to wash, you are only doing detangling. So you run water around your curly hair. Run water, don't bother, don't mind that some of them will be coming off, it's okay. Even your natural hair normally come out from your own hair. So you run your hand on your curly hair. Don't be scared to comb. You see what I'm doing? I'm detangling my kinky coil just because I want to have a perfect result when I'm done. Some people say, oh, my hair is tangling at the back. What do I do, boss lady? What you simply do is what I'm doing. Nobody goes out with tangled hair. Remember, if you don't take care of your hair, it will definitely tangle. It's on the back. You detangle your hair. Don't be scared. Run your water in your brush, detangle it. You run your water, you detangle it. Even if a little bit of it is coming out, it's okay. Don't be scared. What you're simply trying to do is to achieve a perfect look and stand out in the crowd. So right now I'm detangling my wig, and after that, obviously I've already finished detangling it. After that, you off your water, you take your product. This you can get from Modish. You take your product, you put a little bit of it on your hand, you run it around the hair. After running it around the hair, make sure it gets in every inch of the hair. After doing that, you go back, you use a detangler, you detangle your hair nicely while the cream is on it, and it will definitely give you the perfect result you're looking for. At this stage, your hair is no longer frizzy, the back is no longer tangling, everything is back at point. This you can only get from Modish Street, and your hair will come bouncing again. Have a look. Perfect. Thank you guys. Try it at home also.